In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a webhook in make.com. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your scenario, click on the plus button, and you want to look for webhooks, okay? So type in webhook, and there we go. We have the webhooks. You want to click on it, and then here you have two options, so two triggers. You have the custom mail hook, and then the custom webhook. Of course, you want to click on the custom webhook because that's what we're setting up. And when you do so, you have to basically choose a hook. So I have one already, but I'm going to add one for you just to show you how to do this. So you're going to have to first give it a name. Now, of course, by default, it's going to tell you have to create one because you don't have one yet. So just click on that, and then you'll have to basically name it. So I'm going to name this one test webhook like this, and then you can add API keys if you want to. I'm just going to skip that part because I don't have any right now. And then you want to click on the save button. When you do this, as you can see, you've successfully set up a webhook, and you can click on copy address to clipboard, or of course you can copy this address over here. Now this address over here is the link to your webhook, and you can then use this in any of your external applications or whatever you're using. And when you click on the save button over here, whenever that link is clicked or triggered or used, it's going to trigger this specific webhook and does your entire scenario or workflow, okay? So if I go and paste it in here, for example, right now it's going to say that no scenario listening for this webhook, which makes sense because I don't have any scenario. But if you do have a scenario here and you trigger that webhook, it's going to trigger it just like this whenever you click on that link or that link is activated. So that's how you set it up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.